Do you want to own a beautiful house by the sea with the stunning sea views you will never forget? This two-story house in the picturesque village of Krashichi, Montenegro, is located just 50 meters from the sea. The house includes 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a spacious living room combined with a kitchen and a lot of terraces with panoramic sea views. The house is perfect for both permanent residence and for a seaside holiday. You can get this wonderful house for €580,000. Get in touch to order the viewing.